Yeah. This me again. You know the name, right? Mozaro. Yeah. Today we are going to talk about why you need to be fighting in your relationship. Is it even healthy for you? Does it cause harm? And what are the two types of fight? Let's dive deeply into it. Make sure you subscribe, share this video. Make sure you give it a like, support them to it. If you like it, just be sincere, man. Don't be a hypocrite. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. We need to move higher. We are doing it together, man. You are part, man. Yeah, you, of course, you are part. Subscribe. Yeah, that button, yeah, just smash it. Thanks for doing that, man. I appreciate your support. You've been sending the video to friends, sharing everything. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I like the way you comment on videos and other stuff. Our video moves from here, Ghana, to West Africa, to Africa, to the world. I'm a proud Ghanaian born man, but I have a lot of fans. Let me give some shout out to some of my China fans, Enoch, and as well as Deborah, South Africa, man. Charlie, thanks for supporting. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to us across all platforms, Facebook, TikTok, and other stuff. Yeah, TikTok's fine, man. Yeah, I love you all. Charlie, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you become part of the farm, man. Mozaro Ghana. Search us across all platforms on the media, internet, everywhere. You can get our contact, everything there. Yeah, today I'm working right at my home care Ghana. Yeah, we do all forms of cleaning services, laundry. Yeah, today the place is very busy, man. Yeah, the place is very busy. Man. Yeah. So let's talk about fighting in relationship. So when we say fighting in relationship, what comes in mind? Is it about that fight that you fight about your girlfriend talking to exes on those stuff? Is it about wow? Just comment below the type of fight you normally go through in your relationship. I want to know. Hey, me de penny mamenda, me de ni, and home baby. Let's all comment. Let's discuss about the types of fight that goes through in our home, with our wives, with our husbands. What type of fight do you go through mostly? We have two types of fight. We have the healthy one and we have the unhealthy one. So me video ni yedede. Tune me be kondoka. Me video yedede. In a relationship, there are some fights you need to do. That's the healthy ones. Of course, man. Everybody needs to be healthy. Not what you just saw on my side. That one is not healthy at all. So some of the unhealthy fights are maybe things that will destroy the relationship. For example, depriving somebody's right, just fighting them to stop something they really like doing. There are a whole lot of fights that are unhealthy for the relationship, especially if you are blocking somebody's chance in doing something that gives them more dopamine. If I say that, mental health students, I know you understand. Yeah, Kisolo and Alawa. Yeah, those guys, I know you understand. So if your dopamine increases, your excitatory level increases. So you become more excited. So things that blocks, things that makes you excited, you hate those stuff. So if you're in a relationship and you keep blocking your girlfriend or your boyfriend from doing things that makes him or her happy, trust me, you're going to lose your relationship because they can't be in the world without excitement. So let's talk about healthy fighting. So healthy fighting, there are things or type of fight that we do in relationships. That one, they brings good results to the relation. They add more impact, good impact to the relationship. For example, fighting with your spouse or your girlfriend or anybody about not spending well in the house, not managing things very well. That one, you want a better future, you want a better home. So sometimes you fight them if they misuse things. Somebody will be asking, so is it very necessary if I fight my girlfriend or if they are talking to their exes? Sometimes it may be necessary, sometimes it may not be necessary. Talking to your ex with a positive mindset. Sometimes with our childishness, and we say, hey, it's very risky. Why are you going to talk up to your ex? Maybe you won't fall again. If you have made up your mind, you've made up your mind. Talking to your ex has nothing to do with your relationship. sometimes you were friends, very best friends already before you left, and turn into a relationship and it collapsed. Yeah, I did the it's then it ends. So same way, maybe this relationship you are into can end. Doesn't mean all those people are going to be your enemies. The person is your ex, maybe you were friends already. Just quit. Just have vibes. Even you can make business, you can make things with your ex. Nothing is wrong with that. Just have a positive mindset for that. Don't have any negative mindset, and make sure you have a very good self-discipline. You have to be able to discipline yourself. Know your do's and don'ts. Don't go and do things with your ex and pretend as if you are an angel. Nah, that's not good. So positive or healthy fights are very necessary in relationship. So if you know the things that are going to help build up your relationship, build it well, very well, you have to be fighting over it. That one, you need to quarrel, so that if you quarrel, one, it brings all hidden secrets and maybe controversies that we have within ourselves. It will bring everything out, so that you talk about it, you solve it, and everything will go away. That is going to build you a better home. But sometimes if we don't do that healthy fight, we all have our fights within, just self-fight. We are just fighting with ourselves, just with you within one person. I don't know if you understand. You'll be fighting with your spouse just within yourself. I don't know the English to use for that. So if you know that, better comment it so that next time I just say it one English. So sometimes you need to fight so that you bring things out, you solve the problems, you move on. That's how you're going to get a successful home. But if you don't fight and you be keeping things in yourself, trust me, you're going to have a broken home. You don't want to talk about it and it's hurting you. Definitely the relationship is never going to work. So everything, open, talk about it, sometimes fight. Yes, fight so that you can get a better home. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, share it to friends. Give a thumbs up like this. Give a thumbs up to the video. My name is Mozaro. Make sure you subscribe to us on any other platform, LinkedIn, Twitter, everywhere, Mozaro. Yeah, if you Google, just contact us. You can get any of our contacts if you need any of our service. Today I'm right here in my home care. Yeah, we do all forms of home cleanings, post-construction cleanings, laundry services, all forms of catering services. Yeah, I'll be giving a video on the delivery I did just this morning. Yeah, for a church. They ordered for bread. Yeah, you can order for yours too. We make the bread just 20 cedi for the week. So you pay 20 cedi, you get 7 bread for the week. Yeah, we've made it 1 month size, so every day you have to eat only one, and it's being calculated with the number of calories, everything that you need. It's made by a professional nutritionist. Yeah. So you can DM on any platform, just make your order. We work nationwide. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.